Okay.
Ravinder?
Yes, sir. It is streaming live.
Good morning, everyone. Okay. Ravinder, should I start?
Sure, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
The year 2020 has kept all of us busy navigating a new era of virtual events during the COVID-19 pandemic. But where there is struggle, there is opportunity. We have realized that virtual events can be quite powerful and scale to large number of attendees that would be difficult to gather in person. I feel privileged to welcome everyone this morning to our 61st annual day and prize distribution ceremony. To begin with, first and foremost, this is also the time to celebrate as our college has been ranked All India 13th in college category under the National Institutional Ranking Framework. I also take this opportunity to welcome amongst us the chief guest for today's function, Professor Renu Deswal, Chairperson, College Governing Body, and guest of honor,
What happened?
Some problem.
What's the problem, Ravinder?
Hello, hello, Rosie, ma'am. I think she just lost the connection.
Okay.
I'm just contacting her.
And just call her, Ravinder.
Rosie has joined.
Yes, sir. Access given. Hello, Rosie, ma'am.
yes,
You may resume.
I don't know, suddenly, yeah, now I'm back.
Yeah. You
Can
are back.
I start again?
Yes. Yes.
I'm so sorry for this technical glitch. So Professor Deswal is presently in the Department of Botany, University of Delhi. Over the years, she has held various important administrative positions in the university. Ma'am has authored many books and published research papers in reputed journals. She is a recipient of National Award for her significant contribution in C. Buckthorn research in the year 2015. We welcome you, ma'am. We also have amidst us Professor Sevi Murugue, who is presently a professor in the Department of Physics, University of Delhi. He has been a keen researcher and has published a number of articles in reputed journals. Professor Murugue is a recipient of Alexander von Humboldt Award, Germany. We also have our principal, Dr. Gyantosh Kumar Jha, who doesn't need any introduction. Under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Jha, the college has grown into a vibrant and one of the leading colleges, not only in Delhi University, but in the country. And now it is there to stay, as reflected by 4 years of continuous top rankings achieved in the NIRF. I thank Dr. Jha for his constant support and guidance. Moving on, it's time now to give a brief introduction to the Atmaram Sanatan Dharm College. It is a co-educational constituent college of the University of Delhi, founded in August 1959 by the Sanatan Dharm Sabha, started in Anand Parvat. The college shifted to the present location in Dhola Kua in the year 1965. We at ARSD are committed to quality education and strive to provide an atmosphere conducive for the holistic development of each student. Besides academic and personal development, students here discover their true potential, raise aspirations, and achieve excellence. The college provides excellent opportunities for students to exhibit their talent in the fields of dramatics, debate, music, dance, and other fields of culture through various committees and societies. Rangayan, the dramatic society of the college, continues to enthrall audience with its splendid performances year after year. Continuing the tradition of theatre festival, this year also, Rangayan organized a 4-day theatre festival titled Rangashish Jayadev Natya Utsav. The Northeast Welfare Committee of the college organizes the Rainbow Festival every year, celebrating the cultures and traditions of Northeast. Nimbus, the English Debating Society, and Vedant, the Hindi Debating Society, actively contribute to the intellectual environment of the college. The college has a dynamic film appreciation society, TILT, which organizes movie screenings and seminars on a regular basis. The sole objective of Ardesanya, the Fine Arts and Crafts Society, is to enhance the creativity and skill of students. We also have a very vibrant Gandhi study circle that aims at popularizing Gandhian thoughts and principles. The ARSD College NCC unit has actively taken part in many prestigious camps and activities and has brought many laurels to the college. We have a thriving NSS society which has taken many initiatives in the field of community activities. For smooth and efficient functioning of the college, we have discipline committee, anti-ragging committee, grievance committee, women development cell, equal opportunity cell, and placement cell. The college has a very active alumni association which organizes alumni meet every year. The college is evolving into an excellent center for research with many successfully completed and ongoing projects. The college has acquired a position of excellence in nearly all aspects of education. Every year, the college is progressing and achieving excellent results in academics, sports, and co-curricular activities. And now, we have a small clip showcasing the journey of Atmaram Sanatan Dharm College, prepared by Mr. Ravinder Pant of Commerce Department. Over to Ravinder. Thank you for that very interesting and crisp presentation, Ravinder. We now have Saraswati Vandana, an invocation to the goddess of learning.
हे हे सरस्वती शारदा, हे सरस्वती शारदा, हे सरस्वती शारदा, हे सरस्वती शारदा, हे सरस्वती शारदा। सांस्कृतिक कला श्री शोभिनी, सांस्कृतिक कला श्री शोभिनी, साहित्य ज्योति विमोहिनी, सुर उर मधुर मृदु गीत के, सुर उर मधुर मृदु गीत के, गीत अमित नव झनकार दे। हे सरस्वती शारदा, हे सरस्वती शारदा, हे सरस्वती शारदा, हे सरस्वती शारदा, हे सरस्वती शारदा। कुंदेन्दु तंत्रातरल, कुंदेन्दु तंत्रातरल, अरुणेन्दु मन निश्चल सरल, नीलेन्दु वसना भारती, नीलेन्दु वसना भारती, पीतेन्दु प्रभु विस्तार दे। हे सरस्वती शारदा, हे सरस्वती शारदा, हे सरस्वती शारदा, हे सरस्वती शारदा, हे सरस्वती शारदा।
That was indeed a very soulful recorded rendition by our student U Sai Samhita of BCom Honors second year, who is also a member of Sarang, the music group of the college. I now invite our principal, Dr. Gyantosh Kumar Jha, to welcome the dignitaries.
धन्यवाद डॉक्टर रोजी सिन्हा। आज के इस आभासी समारोह की हमारी मुख्य अतिथि प्रोफेसर रेणु देसवाल, हमारे विशिष्ट अतिथि प्रोफेसर सेवी मुर्गवेल, सभी सहकर्मी साथियों मित्रों, हमारे जो अतिथि अभिभावक हैं इस समारोह में, और मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, ये एक विचित्र संयोग है और एक ऐसी स्थिति है कि आज हमको इस वर्चुअल मोड में एक आभासी माध्यम से एक दूसरे के साथ एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण मौके पर जुड़ना पड़ा है। मैं आप सबों का सबसे पहले कॉलेज के प्राचार्य के रूप में आप सबों का स्वागत करता हूं, हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं। आभासी दुनिया की एक सीमा होती है और वो सीमा यहाँ है। जब हम कार्यक्रम वास्तविक रूप में करते हैं तो हम स्वागत करते हैं फूलों के गुच्छ से। आज मेरे पास आपके स्वागत के लिए शब्दों के गुच्छ के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं, इसलिए मेरी भावनाएं और मेरे शब्द आप सबको सादर समर्पित हैं। मैं स्वागत करता हूं प्रोफेसर रेणु देसवाल का, जिन्होंने पिछले 2 वर्षों से गवर्निंग बॉडी के चेयरपर्सन के रूप में हमारा मार्गदर्शन, सहयोग और जिस तरह से हर क्षण हर पल कॉलेज के कार्यक्रमों के साथ खड़े होकर के अपनी तत्परता और अपना विश्वास हम सब ने जताया है, वो बिल्कुल उसकी जितनी प्रशंसा की जाए उसके लिए मेरे पास शब्द कम हैं। मैं मैडम आज के इस कार्यक्रम में आपका सादर अभिवादन करता हूं और हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। मैं स्वागत करता हूं प्रोफेसर सेवी मुर्गवेल सर का, जिन्होंने अपने ट्रेजरर रहते हुए इस कॉलेज को अपना बहुत योगदान दिया, समय पर मेरा विशेष रूप से मार्गदर्शन किया। और जब भी जो दोनों हमारे अतिथि के रूप में हमारे जो चेयरपर्सन और ट्रेजरर मौजूद हैं, जब भी मुझे किसी तरह की दिक्कत आई, मशक्कत करनी पड़ी और मैं इनके पास गया, तो इन्होंने एक नई राह दिखाई, एक नया रास्ता सुझाया। मैं सर आपका भी हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं, हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं। मैं इस कार्यक्रम में जितने हमारे अभिभावक जुड़े हैं, जो पेरेंट्स जुड़े हैं, उन सबका कॉलेज की ओर से स्वागत करता हूं। अपने टीचिंग, नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ, अपने स्टूडेंट्स जो आज पुरस्कार प्राप्त करेंगे, उन सबका स्वागत करता हूं। ये आभासी दुनिया है और आभासी दुनिया की सीमाएं हैं, वो तकनीक के कारण कई बार दिक्कतें आती हैं, वो आ रही हैं, लेकिन हमारा हौसला और मनोबल कमजोर नहीं हुआ है। इस पेंडेमिक या इस महामारी के दरमियान या लॉकडाउन के दरमियान हमने कभी अपने हौसला को कमजोर नहीं होने दिया है और इसी हौसले के साथ इस कार्यक्रम में आज हम उपस्थित हैं। पुनः आप सबों का स्वागत, हार्दिक अभिनंदन। ओवर टू रोजी सिन्हा। थैंक यू।
धन्यवाद सर। May I now request my colleague Dr. Vinita Tully to kindly take over for further proceedings. Vinita Tully.
थैंक यू रोजी। मैं डॉक्टर विनीता तुली एक बार पुनः आज के इस कार्यक्रम में आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ। आज का हमारा अगला कार्यक्रम एनुअल बुक, प्रोस्पेक्टस, मैगजीन्स तथा न्यूज़लेटर आदि के लोकार्पण का कार्यक्रम है। It gives me immense pleasure to announce the release of all our magazines, annual yearbook and prospectus. Annual Day also becomes memorable with the launch of these magazines. मैं कॉलेज की चेयरपर्सन प्रोफेसर रेणु देसवाल, ट्रेजरर प्रोफेसर सेवी मुर्गवेल सर से इन्हें एक एक करके रिलीज कराने की अनुमति चाहूंगी। I would like to take permission of Professor Renu Deswal and Professor Sevi Murgvel to release and launch of all our 8 publications.
Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am?
Ma'am is there?
Ma'am just lost the connection, I think.
Okay. If you may start.
Okay, sir. Annual yearbook is a record of the achievements of the college, its staff, faculty, and students. So let's salute the contribution of every soul who participated in the evolution of the college with the release of its annual yearbook 2019-20 with the permission of Professor Renu Deswal and Professor Sevi Murgvel. इसके लिए मैं डॉक्टर अंजू बजाज, कन्वीनर एनुअल रिपोर्ट कमेटी को आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
Thank you, Vinita. Good morning and a very warm welcome to you all. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir, for giving permission to release the annual report, prospectus, college magazine, and newsletter for the year 2019-20. The annual report 2019-20 is a snapshot of all the important activities throughout the year occurring in the college as well as at the society level. It recognizes the achievements of students and faculty and acknowledges the support of prominent people. It gives us immense pleasure to have a look at the growth of the college, milestone achieved, and the spirit of the stakeholders. Annual reports encourages our fellow colleagues to actively participate in corporate life of the college. Such collaboration efforts enhance the morale of students, teachers, and the staff. I am thankful to our principal, Dr. Gyantosh Kumar Jha, for his able guidance and support during the preparation of this report. I would like to thank my team members, Dr. Vinita Tuli, Dr. Ashutosh Vishbandhu, Ms. Baljeet Kaur, Ms. Anupriya Arora, Mr. Manvendra Yadav, and Ms. Nidhi Sharma for their hard work during the preparation of this report. I want to say a special thank you to Ms. Baljeet Kaur and Ms. Anupriya Arora and Dr. Ashutosh Vishbandhu for tirelessly helping during the time. I also thank Ms. Moitri Roy Chaudhary for the final proofreading of this report. This annual report is a valuable addition in our college journey. I would also like to mention that the college has done immense amount of work, including webinars, faculty development program, and online workshop via virtual mode during these past 4 months of pandemic, which have been also included in this annual report. I congratulate all the award winners and the individual achievers who have proved their mettle in different fields. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Anju Bajaj. We cherish the last session's achievements and enforce the coming session. Prospectus is the first step towards a new innings. I, the convener of Prospectus 2021, is privileged to release it with the permission of the chairperson and the treasurer of the governing body of the college.
Yeah, Vinita, move forward.
Thank you, sir. I would like to thank my entire team, Dr. Indrajit Kumar Jha, Ms. Moitri Roy Chaudhary, Dr. Ashutosh Vishwabandhu, Dr. Anjali Sharma Kaushik, Dr. Arvind Kumar Mishra, Ms. Anupriya Arora, Ms. Baljeet Kaur, Mr. Ravinder Pant, Mr. Manvendra Yadav, Ms. Manisha Bagri, Dr. Amit Vishwakarma, and Mr. Abid Hussain for their sincere efforts. And we were able to prepare the prospectus, which is published both in English as well as Hindi in just 20 days. I would like to specially mention the name of our student, Ms. K.R. Swati of BA Honours English, 3rd year, who beautifully designed the prospectus for us. We really appreciate her efforts. College Magazine is a platform for the students to showcase their creativity. अब मैं मैगजीन कमेटी की कन्वीनर डॉक्टर शुभा द्विवेदी को कॉलेज मैगजीन उद्याचल के रिलीज के लिए चीफ गेस्ट और गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर की अनुमति से आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
Yeah, please. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Shubha, are you there?
Yeah. Can you all hear me?
Thanks,
Yeah,
Dr. Tuli. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of dreams. So said Eleanor Roosevelt. Presenting here for the 57th edition of our annual college magazine Udyachal, I, Shubha Dwivedi, on behalf of magazine committee and editorial board, extend my utmost regards and gratitude to Honorable Chairperson, Professor Renu Deswalji, our visionary principal, Dr. Gyantosh Kumar Jhaji, Professor Sevi Murukkaval, and other dignitaries, along with achievers and their parents. The present edition of Udyachal, ladies and gentlemen, is a labor of love, crafted with meticulous care and devotion. It's a reflection of us, of the enlivening spirit of ARST College. I congratulate the worthy editors, Swati, Vriddhi, Pratishtha, Aditi, Mayank, and others, and my colleagues at magazine committee, Dr. Priyam Barua, Dr. Sridharam, Dr. Sudha Devi, Neelam, Renu, Ritu Bansal, Kanika, Dr. Deekshit, Dr. Anjali Sharma, without whose relentless efforts, this dream would have remained a far-fetched dream. And in the end, I look forward to your honest criticism and sensitive appreciation, and this will take us farther. Thank you so much.
thank you, Dr. Shubha. Our English Debating Society, Nimbus, has become our asset. It has given a new popularity to our college. I invite the convener of the society, Dr. Shubha Dwivedi, for its release, with the due permission of the chairperson and the treasurer of the college governing body.
Yes, Vinita.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Dr. Tuli. Unfolding the journey that Nimbus, the English Debating Society of ARST College, had in the year 2019, I, Shubha Dwivedi, on behalf of Nimbus and editorial boards of the Souvenir, thank our principal and chairperson and governing body members for being the wind beneath our wings and for helping us contribute to the intellectual growth of our students. I take this opportunity to thank Maushami Ray, fellow member at Nimbus, and the office bearers of Nimbus team for a fruitful year in the 2019. Friends, the fourth issue of the Nimbus Souvenir brings to you a panoramic view of the happenings, events, achievements in the year 2019, besides faithfully documenting the success of the fourth ARST Youth Conclave. Wishing Nimbus great success and a great future in the times to come. I congratulate all the winners on the annual day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shubha. Students get to express their view of life and approach towards life in the newsletters also. समन्वय हिंदी न्यूज़लेटर छात्रों की रचनात्मक प्रतिभा एवं अनेक सोचने की क्षमता को निखारने का मंच प्रदान करती है। मैं कन्वीनर डॉक्टर अरविंद मिश्रा को समन्वय के लोकार्पण के लिए चेयरपर्सन और ट्रेजरर की अनुमति से आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
Yes.
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू विनीता मैम। ऑनलाइन आभासी मंच पर उपस्थित चेयरपर्सन प्रोफेसर रेणु देसवाल मैम, प्रोफेसर सेवी मुरुगवेल सर, हमारे प्राचार्य डॉक्टर ज्ञानतोष कुमार झा सर, आप सबको धन्यवाद, अभिनंदन। समन्वय की परिकल्पना हमारे प्राचार्य महोदय ने की थी और उनका मानना था कि वार्षिक स्तर पर जो कॉलेज की मैगजीन निकलती है उदयाचल, उसमें सामान्य तौर पर जो स्टूडेंट्स रचनात्मक रूप से सोचते हैं कविता, छोटी छोटी कहानियों के रूप में उसका प्रकाशन होता है, लेकिन कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए कि छात्रों के बीच शोध की प्रवृत्ति का विकास हो। वो कुछ ऐसा सोचें, किसी चीज पर, किसी विषय पर कुछ इस तरह से सोचें और उसे आर्टिकुलेट करें और अपने चिंतन को एक विविध आयाम के रूप में प्रस्तुत करें। इसके लिए नए तरह से प्रयास होना चाहिए और उसी प्रक्रिया में सर ने हमें सिनर्जी और अंग्रेजी में सिनर्जी और हिंदी में समन्वय का प्रकाशन करने के लिए कहा था। और महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि समन्वय और सिनर्जी दोनों का प्रकाशन और सारा का सारा काम हमारे छात्र ही देखते हैं। हम छात्र प्रतिनिधियों का एक संपादन मंडल बनाते हैं, जैसा कि हर एक अंक में होता रहा है। आपके सामने ये छठा अंक है। इस अंक के संपादन मंडल में हर्षिता शंकर, यमुना कुमार, सुलभ यादव, कार्तिकेय मिश्र और सौरभ शामिल हैं। इन पांचों बच्चों ने इस अंक के लिए बहुत मेहनत की है। खासकर हर्षिता ने इस पूरे अंक को निकालने में शुरू से लेकर अब तक लगभग अधिकतम काम हर्षिता ने देखा है और हर्षिता शंकर का इसके लिए विशेष रूप से धन्यवाद। अंत में इस समन्वय मैगजीन को अंतिम रूप देने के लिए स्वाति ने हमें काफी सहयोग किया है और स्वाति का इसके लिए अलग से धन्यवाद। और इस रूप में इस अंक में आप लोग देखेंगे, आपके सामने है और आप कॉलेज साइट पर लगेगा, आप देखेंगे कि इसमें 4 रिसर्च आर्टिकल हमारे छात्रों ने लिखा है, जिसमें से 2 MA के छात्र हैं और 2 BA के छात्र हैं। 4 शोध आलेख के साथ साथ इस अंक में हमने 2 सामान्य आलेख छापे हैं और एक कहानी छपी है जो रहमत की है। रहमत हमारे मतलब कह सकते हैं कि हमारे छात्र कहानीकार हैं, जिनकी एक कहानी हिंदी की प्रसिद्ध पत्रिका आजकल में पहले ही छप चुकी है, जिसका सबसे पहले प्रकाशन हमने समन्वय में ही किया था। और ये दूसरी कहानी भी है जो आप सबके सामने है। ये अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण कहानी एक छात्र के भीतर मौजूद सामाजिक समस्याओं को लेकर संवेदनशीलता आपको उभरती हुई दिखाई देती है और उसकी सृजनात्मक अभिव्यक्ति भी दिखाई देती है। तो इस रूप में जो प्रिंसिपल सर का सपना था कि शोध और रचनात्मकता को एक अलग तरीके से छात्रों के भीतर से उभारा जाए, निखारा जाए, उस प्रयास में हमने समन्वय का पुनः प्रकाशन किया है। आप सबका फिर से धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Arvind. Our English newsletter Synergy, which celebrates the creativity and skill of our students. For it now, I invite its convener, Dr. Prerna Sinha, with the permission of Professor Renu Deswal and Professor Sevi Murgvel for its release.
Yeah, Vinita, please.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Prerna Sinha. Dr. Prerna Sinha, are you there? Ravinder, please release it. I think she's having some problem.
A very pleasant afternoon to you all. Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Renu Deswal, Chairperson, ARST College, Honorable Guest of Honor, Professor Sevi Murugavel, Treasurer, ARST College, Honorable Principal, Dr. Gyantosh Kumar Jha, who has been the guiding light in all our creative endeavors, all my colleagues and dear students. Synergy, an interdisciplinary newsletter that began 5 years back, showcases students' latent talent in the form of their creative outpourings. The student editors decide on a theme and invite articles from students across disciplines. For the year 2019-20 edition, the theme was climate change, influenced by Greta Thunberg's wake-up speech on the brewing crisis. But lo, March month came announcing COVID-19 crisis, and it seemed life had come to a standstill. The newsletter all thought will never see the light of day. It is said adversity brings the best in you. This precisely happened. We decided not only to take it out, but also to devote one section to the effects and reaction of pandemic. And the response from contributors was wonderful. Besides, it had to be now online. So with ample time in hand, student editors decided to make the pages colored. The result is for all of you to see. I thank our patron, Dr. Gyantosh Kumar Jha, Principal, ARST College, for his ceaseless efforts and support to motivate us, to give us directions. The teachers on editorial board, Dr. Rosie Sinha, Department of English, and Dr. Indrajit Kumar Jha, Department of Political Science, for guiding. And last but not the least, my student editors, Inali Negi, English Honours third year, Saloni Singh, English Honours third year, Khushi Mathur, English Honours second year, and Devika, Eco Honours first year, for their invaluable contribution. Thank you.
Thank you, Prerna. Enactors has recorded its efforts and contribution to the society. So let's welcome a step of theirs with the release of their annual yearbook 2019-20. इसके लिए मैं कन्वीनर डॉक्टर मनिका जैन को प्रोफेसर रेणु देसवाल और प्रोफेसर सेवी मुर्गवेल की अनुमति से आमंत्रित करती हूँ। Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Vinita, and greetings and respect to the chair. Enactus is a team of young thinkers who believe that a sense of empathy, a spirit of empowerment, and resultant ecstasy can work wonders in creating a better world. Since its inception in 2017, Enactus ARSD has worked towards uplifting the underprivileged and guiding them towards empowerment and self-reliance through entrepreneurial enrichment. I, Dr. Manika Jain, am honored to present to this August gathering the second edition of our annual newsletter envisioned by myself, Dr. Manish Kumar and Mr. Amit Dwivedi, and commendably executed by our young editors Muskan, Radhima, Vriddhi and Anushka. The academic year 2019-2020 was a very rewarding year for the Enactus. Our team succeeded in numerous endeavors, uplifted many more lives, and expanded the learning horizon for its members as well. From being recognized in the newspaper for our Delhi Heart edition of annual exhibition Caution to pulling off our first Enactus Day Innovate, the team is flying high both in spirits and intent. As the faculty advisor to Enactus ARSD, I am proud to share that ours was the only college from India whose faculty advisor's research poster was selected for presentation at the International Research Poster Competition organized by Enactus Global in San Jose in September 2019. From being just volunteers in Enactus Nationals last year to participating in the competition this year, our team has started to carve a niche for itself and the college on the Enactus world map. We believe in creating an opportunity and not just waiting for one. Therefore, we explored newer ways to connect to people, new projects, and new collaborations during this pandemic. However, none of this would have been possible without the constant support, encouragement, and mentorship of our respected principal, Dr. Gyanatosh Kumar Jha. Sir, we are highly indebted. Hope you all will enjoy reading our newsletter as much as we enjoyed creating it for you. Thank you.
Thank you, Manika. Film Appreciation Society of our college has also for the first time come up with its newsletter, which showcases its work. So let's encourage them to move forward and touch new milestones with the release of its newsletter. So I invite its convener, Ms. Maushami Ray, for the release with the permission of the chief guest and the guest of honor. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Tuli. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much. A very good morning to all of you. Institutions are primarily made up of two sets of things: brick and mortar, dreams and visions. Today, in a year that constantly resembles a thriller movie, we have gathered to celebrate the power of dreams. Dreams that propel us towards turning into better versions of ourselves. In the year 2008, a few colleagues of mine realized the potential of setting up a film appreciation society. Since then, we have been screening world and Indian movies. We have been organizing talks, lectures. We have been introducing new directors. In the year 2019-2020, we decided to recharge the film society. We named it Tilt on a camera angle, and we organized a 2-day extravaganza called Tamasha, the Film Festival. We had a series of programs under it, a short film that we made, that our children, our students made for themselves for the first time in the history of this college, I presume. We had a film festival, we had quiz, we had cosplay, we had film workshop, and in the quiz, we also had members of our faculty and non-teaching members along with students who participated in the Bollywood quiz. We had around 300 participants from Delhi and outside. The newsletter, the first of our newsletter that has been published this year, is a newsletter cum souvenir, which documents this effort of ours. I urge you all to take a look at it when we release it, when we send it to you, or we mail it to you. I take this opportunity to extend my thanks and gratitude to the entire machinery at ARSD. My special thanks goes out to our chairperson, Professor Renu Deswal, our treasurer, Sir Professor Sevi Murugavel, Principal Sir Dr. Gyanatosh Jha, and Bursar Sir Dr. Arora. You are our rock and fortress. My thanks also goes out to Dr. Prerna Sinha and Neeta Azad. Dr. Neeta Azad, you were the wings beneath our, you were the wind beneath our wings. A big shout out to the students whose efforts have been appreciated and who have put in a lot of effort in making the first film festival into an extravaganza. Last and most importantly, to all of you who are gathered here, please extend your best wishes because we have a lot of plans in store. So, in rain and shine, in fair weather and pandemic, please give us your blessing because as the saying goes, the show must go on. Thank you once again.
थैंक यू मौसमी। अब मैं कॉलेज के प्राचार्य डॉक्टर ज्ञानतोष कुमार झा से एनुअल रिपोर्ट 2019-20 प्रस्तुत करने का अनुग्रह करूंगी।
Thank you, Dr. Vinita Tuli. Honorable Chairperson, Professor Renu Deswal, Honorable Treasurer, Professor Sevi Murugavel, colleagues, staff members, and parents, and my dear students. It's a great pleasure and honor for me to present the annual report for the year 2019 and 20. Dear Madam and Sir, as you know that the founding principles of ARSD have always been excellence, equity, and inclusivity. Holistic development, academic rigor, and communitarian growth have accordingly informed our capability building efforts and directed our efforts at consolidating strength. Our pursuit of quality amidst all difficulties have been validated by the improvement in our NIRF rank. From rank 14, we have gone up to rank 13 in a higher educational institution in India, an achievement that has been made possible by the hard work and dedication of the entire ARSD community. ARSD has also been ranked 5th in the country for excellence in the science by India Today. I congratulate you all, my NIRF team and its nodal officer, Dr. Vinita Tuli, for their achievement. I urge you all to keep working to bring ARSD within the top 10 ranked institutions in the country. Madam, in the last 5 years, ARSD has come a long way in terms of student intake and academic performance. Our courses have been in high demand. Our students' pass percentages have also gone up consistently, with undergraduate courses seeing a pass percentage of 85% and above. We count among our ranked university toppers and the students who have gone on to pursue higher studies in reputed institutions in India and abroad. This year, our focus on research and innovation was borne out in the organization of 2 faculty development programs and 4 national seminars. Our grant corpus of ₹4.8 crore and the involvement of over 200 students in interdisciplinary research further attests to our advancement as a center for excellence. Our students and faculty members performed very well in the various national and international events they participated in. The second edition of 10 days Sanskrit Sambhasan Shibir was organized, deepening our academic engagement. ARSD's reputation as a leader in the education sector was cemented by its recognition as a nurturer of a strong career learning environment by the World Education Review and the India International Education Council. The college also received the Best Website Award from the University of Delhi, indicative of its desire to provide stakeholders with best access to information. Our industrial collaboration went from strength to strength with the 3-day entrepreneurship camp we put together in association with NISBA. MSME and ARST came together to coordinate a 2-day industrial motivation camp as well as a 5-day export development program. A 1-day program was also organized in collaboration with Ministry of Labor on National Career Service. The intensive fair saw widespread participation from the industry and generated much interest from the students' body. Over 70 companies and 750 students participated in the event. Our advocacy of entrepreneurial opportunities, skill development, and vocational training received a fillip with the success of several short-term courses launched over the past year. Infrastructurally, the parking area has been modernized for faculty and staff. College canteen has been renovated with newly designed kitchen. New computers have been installed in computer labs. New entrance gate has been constructed, adding to the visibility and functionality of the space. Parking area for the students was created. Our 60th Founders Day was celebrated on 3rd August 2019. Atmaram Sanatan Dhan College celebrated its Diamond Jubilee on that day. On this special occasion, many guests were invited to attend the program. The college released a souvenir on this occasion. The societies have done well. The college magazine organized Rubaru 2019, the annual authors meet, which saw well-known luminaries such as Dr. Sukrita Paul Kumar, a distinguished Indian English poet, critic, translator, and academician. Ms. Maitreyi Pushpa, a noted Hindi fiction writer. Dr. Parvez Saxena, a renowned Hindi and Sanskrit writer and academician. And Mr. Sandeep Kumar, a prominent journalist, poet, columnist, interacting with the audience. The society also organized a creative writing workshop and creative writing competition. The Hindi Debating Society organized several intra and inter-college competitions. Apart from the participating enthusiastically in youth conclave, winning many prizes. The English Debating Society members had a stellar year as well. They organized the 4th edition of their immensely popular youth conclave. The society also introduced a new format this year, the International Press, which covered and reported the entire conference. They also organized several workshops, competitions, and orientation sessions apart from excelling in inter-college competition across NCR. TILT, the Film Appreciation Society, received a new name and organized its first film festival, Tamasa, this year. Along with several successful competitions, the festival also featured TILT's maiden short film, Funeral in My Brain. Excellence, the Photographic Society provided excellent coverage of all college events and made documentation of such events possible. The student members won prizes at various photography competitions. They organized several photo walks and a photography trip to Uttarakhand, along with the 3rd edition of its Fresh Tasveer and skill development workshop. Rangayan, our dramatic society, continued to excel, putting on over 100 performances. This year's edition of Rangseer Jaydev Natyotsav was highly acclaimed as in the years past. The students of Rangayan also collaborated with various college societies to raise awareness about crucial issues and use theatre as an instrument of social change. I should inform here that our many artists of Rangayan have got selected in National School of Drama, Bhartendu Natak Academy, and in the Mumbai University Theatre College. Members of the Cultural Society graced every social event of the college with their music and artistry. Students also won several competitions throughout the year, bringing credit to the institution. Along with Artisania, the arts and crafts society, the cultural society provides the perfect platform to showcase students' activity and talent. Artisania organized numerous workshops and competitions throughout the year. The society got an opportunity to exhibit its work at Delhi Book Fair from 11th to 15th September 19. The Students' Union, after the election in September 19, they organized the Freshers' Welcome Arambh in October and College Festival Tide in February in collaboration with Cultural Society to great fanfare and enthusiastic participation from within the college and outside. The spirit of service is strong at ARST. The college NCC troop is widely recognized for its commitment and integrity. Our cadets have consistently performed well and they represented the college with pride at national events. Our 3 cadets participated in Republic Day Parade. 5 cadets got selected in CDS and NDA as Army officers. 2 cadets got selected in Air Force. 1 cadet participated in PM Rally 20 and 8 cadets participated in national level Army attachment camp, and many cadets have attended CM Rally in Delhi. Our NSS volunteers also renowned their commitment to the institution and larger society in a major way. Apart from their regular calendar of events, the NSS unit hosted a delegation from Tajikistan in October 19. NSS ARST also successfully conducted a maiden 7-day special camp from 24th to 30th December 19 on the theme Youth for Better Environment. This kind of camp was organized first time in the history of ARST College. In their adopted slum, Sri Ram JJ Cluster, NSS runs an education initiative titled Sevadeep for slum children. This year, Diwali and Children's Day were special occasion for the slum children. NSS also ran a self-defense camp for girls in the slum. In addition, the National AIDS Control Organization, NACO, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India awarded a certificate of recognition to ARST's Red Ribbon Club for their contribution in engaging the youth towards the prevention and control of affiliate for the dedicated unit. Process showing, reflecting the commitment of the college towards achieving entrepreneurial enrichment along with guiding the down students. The student team of Enactus ARST under the able mentoring of the faculty worked on 4 major projects: Project Kalakari, Project Srijan, Project Sugandh and Project Samvedana, the fruits of which were proudly displayed in their annual exhibition Kaushal Hunar Se Atmanirbharta Tak. Enactus students also participated in competitions and many awareness raising campaigns, along with organizing the first ever Enactus Day Innovate 20. ARST takes its place to enable equal access seriously. The Equal Opportunity Cell provides continual support to members of its community with disabilities. It held a talk and sensitization programs in order to strengthen the message of complete support to our physically challenged students. The Eco Club ARST College is sponsored by Department of Environment, Government of NCT Delhi. It organizes film screening lectures on climate change and daily pollution along with several competitions. The Women Development Cell continues to carry forward its mission to empower all women scholars. The WDC organized a lecture on the topic role of legislation in women empowerment and also a session on Indian women and culture, both in collaboration with NSS. The annual 10-day self-defense workshop unfortunately had to defer due to the lockdown. The Fee Concession and Book Aid Committee recommended 226 students for fee concession with ranging from rupees 2,000 to 4,000 per student. Book aid facility was provided to 240 students on the recommendation of the committee. The committee recommended 10 meritorious and needy students for the 10 scholarships of rupees 5,000 each funded by ARST College Alumni Association. The committee also recommended 10 meritorious and needy students for a scholarship of rupees 5,000 each funded by the Taneja Foundation. The Northeast Welfare Committee carried on its excellent work on integrating the campus and also sensitizing the college body to the political situation in the Northeast. The immensely popular Rainbow Festival saw widespread participation from the students across the university. The Ambedkar Study Circle and the Gandhi Study Circle have organized many programs throughout the year. Sports. In sports, our achievements were notable. Sunihit Bishnoi, a first year BA Honours Political Science student, is an international golfer, has won several tournaments, and has won ranked the #1 junior golf player by the Indian Golf Union as its union. Several of our students distinguished themselves at the state and national level. The college volleyball girls team acquitted themselves well, winning All India BITS Pilani Volleyball Tournament 19. Ayush Bharadwaj, a third-year student of political science, won a silver and bronze medal in U21 triples and single category respectively in the third edition of Khelo India Youth Games Guwahati 20. And he is the captain of Delhi State lawn ball team and has won a scholarship of rupees 1.25 lakh. In archery, Manish Bhatti won several awards at the state and national level. Manish, a first-year student of BA program, won 2 gold, 1 silver, and 1 bronze medal at the Delhi State Senior Archery Championship held in February 20. In cricket, Shivam Kumar of BA program has represented Bihar in several state tournaments, including the Ranji Trophy, the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy, and the Vijay Hazare Trophy. ARST is proud of all of its athletes who work relentlessly to bring honor to themselves and their college. Our placement cell placed 161 students this year in jobs and internships. It organized 2 seminars along with the hugely successful intern area. It continues to work hard to place our students in the best position even during this difficult time. Our work to beautify our surroundings was carried out admirably by the Garden Committee. The committee also organized a plantation drive. This year has been a challenging one for all of us. Filled with accomplishment, it has been us deal with an unprecedented global pandemic. While the losses have been tragic, we have also been forced to adapt to this new reality in order to uphold our commitment to provide accessible education. In this regard, we have been working tirelessly since the lockdown to bring our classes online, set up a learning management system, and conduct workshops, training programs, and webinars to equip the college body and larger community with a skill to manage the sea changes in our circumstances. There are few initiatives taken for students during COVID-19 pandemic. Number 1, online counseling by the college counselor is being provided to the students. A help desk consisting of the faculty members and the members of student union was set up to provide help to the students stranded the flats PGs in Delhi during lockdown due to COVID pandemic. Online internship opportunity in many reputed companies are being provided by the placement cell of the college. The cell has also held multiple recruitment drives. More than a dozen webinars were organized on the subjects related to mental well-being, such as stress management, combating anxiety, depression, and fear, and more than 50 webinars were organized by IQAC of the college to engage students in understanding diverse issues. Nearly 15,671 participants have registered for these sessions so far. College societies have also been actively involved in catering to the varied needs of the students' body in this pandemic time. Rangayan, along with the webinar committee, organized a 7-day online theatre festival from 18th to 24th May 20. 7 plays were telecast on Facebook. Nimbus organized a national online conventional debate competition in collaboration with Debating Society of WIPS. Vedanta, the Hindi Debating Society of ARSD College, organized Vedanta e-Youth Conclave on rebuilding Indian economy post-coronavirus on May 11. The Ambedkar Study Circle organized an online intra-college Ambedkar quiz competition on the occasion of 129th birth anniversary of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar, and launched the Blue Sky, the first edition of bilingual e-magazine of the society. ARSD Enactus team organized various online workshops during the lockdown on mental health and enhancing employability, among others. Artisania organized a poster making competition, Kalakari, Humanity versus COVID-19. The entrepreneurship cell of ARSD College organized Samadhan, an online problem solving competition. The skill development and entrepreneurship cell of ARSD initiated a new series and a stock market series to discuss new development in the startup world and elucidate key concepts in trading and financial transactions. The NSS unit organized more than a dozen workshops, awareness raising sessions, and sensitization programs. The college IQAC and the history department both organized cultural evenings in order to combat social isolation and lighten the atmosphere. The Commerce Department organized an online version of its annual fest in May 20. The 6th International Yoga Day was also held virtually on 21st June 20 and saw widespread participation. The college has also been gearing up for the induction of new students and the preparation of final year students to take their semester exams. To this end, the technical team of online admission made videos related to open book examination, e-registration process, and FAQs related to UG admissions 2020 available online to familiarize students with new modalities and of examination and admission. 2 webinars of Delhi University undergraduate admission were also organized. Friends, today we are giving prizes of 153 students for their academic achievements and extraordinary contribution in various activities. My congratulations to all the prize winners. I am immensely proud of the staff and students for their continued support and their steadfast dedication to the high standards of excellence we strive to maintain. We must build on our strong foundation to create a space and a community that is inspirational in its openness to new ideas and its ability to innovate. Thank you so much. Thank you once again. Over to Vinita.
I thank you, sir. On behalf of the ARSD family, the college is making significant progress and we all look towards a very bright future for the college. I now request Professor Sevi Murugvel, Treasurer, College Governing Body, who has guided us throughout to address the gathering.
Thank you, Vinita. Good morning to all of you. Are you able to hear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once again, good morning to everyone. So it is again important day and we are making a history. Last year, I said the same event, I mean the annual day, that is the 60th annual day, which has a different kind of history. But this year also we are making a history in the sense that we are conducting a annual day in online mode. So I don't think college would have experienced the earlier annual day like this kind of, annual day celebration. Well, I could hear from Dr. Gantosh Jha that the progress of the college in the last, say, 1 year, it's a tremendous. So with this, I mean, again, I also mentioned in the last year annual day that we should move forward. So which has become true that we are moving forward based on the NIRF ranking. So with respect to the last year, we are 1 step ahead. So similarly, I expect even the following years, we should move forward. So in this context, it's not that only the college principal can or the teachers, it's everyone, I mean, the contributions. So starting from, say, the principal, governing body, and teachers, students, non-teaching staff, and everyone. So I request all the, I mean, the, say, the members of the college should contribute to the college to move forward. So in addition to that, I think we are everyone, I mean, it's not only our college, I mean, the entire world is experiencing this pandemic. Even this, I mean, we are still, I mean, working towards our academic. So since the lockdown, I mean, started with the online classes and exams, etc. So I wish once again to all the, the students for their, the best success in their career, and good luck for everyone. Thank you, Vinita. I could not hear.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. अब मैं कॉलेज की चेयरपर्सन प्रोफेसर रेणु देसवाल, जिनके मार्गदर्शन में कॉलेज निरंतर प्रगति पथ पर अग्रसर है, से आग्रह करूंगी आज के इस अवसर में हमें अपने विचारों से लाभान्वित करें।
Ma'am, she lost the connection.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
मैम अनम्यूट कर लीजिए, मैम अनम्यूट करिए अपने आप को।
हाँ जी, अभी कैन यू हियर मी?
Yeah.
Sorry, I lost the connection in between, and it has happened 3-4 times. So I don't know whether when am I supposed to speak now?
Yes.
Yes,
Sorry, and actually I lost the connection in between. So आदरणीय Professor Murugvel, Professor Jha, faculty members, non-teaching staff, parents and students. First of all, congratulations for hosting this annual day online and for the fantastic progress which Professor Jha has presented in his annual day presentation. बहुत बहुत बधाई for improved NIRF ranking, but I wish to see the college in top 10, and I'm sure the way college is progressing, it would happen soon. Similarly, your improvement in times scores across arts, commerce and science is very well appreciated. The societies are doing wonderful job by training students in different talents they are providing to the students, and that's good, because just besides bookish knowledge, we are making them kind of wholesome development is happening through these other activities, and the activities are on the right direction. बहुत activities हैं, बहुत अच्छा training मिल रहा है students को, and I would say I'm honored to be associated with this action-packed college. And institution is the reflection of the leader. So actually it's reflecting Dr. Jha's vision and his action. So I congratulate him for all these activities, and I'm sure the college is going to be in top 10 in NIRF ranking in next few years. Very soon, I think we will see that, the way the college is progressing. I would just mention a point that earlier we were focusing on intelligence quotient. Then emotional quotient became important. The emotionally, the student and everyone has to be good or strong. Then came the social quotient, like your education or your training, it has to have social relevance application. And nowadays, it's adversity quotient. The situations which have been thrown on us in form of this corona pandemic, it demands that we realign and rethink, and we prepare our students for taking decisions under adverse conditions. Our education system, unfortunately, it gives us marks, a lot of marks we get, but those marks needs to be translated into employability. Right now, that's not there. So I think colleges, they have to try to fill this gap. The training of the students should be such that they become employable. And I think ARSD is putting in good effort in that direction. We are training them. And secondly, besides being employable, the focus on research and also application of this research. I see both in this college. Research is also emphasized, and then the output or the applications of research, the focus is also on that. So I think the college is on right path, and it should continue on the same path under the visionary leadership of Professor Dr. Jha, and I'm sure it will do much better in next coming few years. So again, congratulations to all of you for annual day, and all the best to everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind and encouraging words. We applaud and reward the students for their sincere efforts during the previous academic session. The college honors all its achievers for having attained a sterling record both in scholastic and co-scholastic domain. विद्यार्थी और शिक्षकों के साल भर के अथक प्रयास से जो उपलब्धियां हासिल की जाती हैं, आज के दिन कॉलेज छात्रों की शैक्षणिक और गैर शैक्षणिक उपलब्धियों को सेलिब्रेट करने का है. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Preeti Jain to announce the toppers of the arts stream.
Thank you, Dr. Vinita. Welcome, everyone. We shall now start with one of the most awaited event of the annual day, which the students are specially waiting for. We shall now announce the names of the academic performers of humanities stream. In BA Honors English first year, Pratishta Kharbanda secured first position. Second position is secured by K.R. Swathi and Vridhi Jain. In BA Honors English second year, first position is secured by two students, Inali Negi and Minakshi Barua. Second position is secured by Samriddhi Rudola. In English Honors third year, Simran Shrohi stood first and Ela Agrawal stood second. Moving on to Eco Honors first year, Ankit Upadhyay stood first, Namisha Kandhari stood second. In Eco Honors second year, Amarjeet stood first, Akriti Taneja stood second. In Eco Honors third year, Gitika Behel stood first, Abhishek Rawat stood second. In BA Honors Hindi first year, first position is secured by two students, Nitish Singh and Rashmi, whereas Anu Kumari stood second. In BA Honors Hindi second year, first position is secured by two students, Nitish Kumar and Rajiv, and second position is again scored by two students, Shobhakant Kumar and Sushma. Moving on to BA Honors Hindi third year, Riddhi Kumari stood first, Vikas Singh stood second. In BA Honors History first year, Ankit Shukla stood first and Abhigyan Gogoi stood second. In History Honors second year, Priyanshi Agarwal stood first and Neha stood second. In BA Honours History year, Abhinav Bhatnagar stood first and Pranav Vats stood second. In BA Honours Political Science first year, Ritik Bakshi stood first, Sudhanshu Shekhar stood second. In second year Political Honours, Madan Chand stood first, Sahil Kumar stood second. In Political Science third year Honours, Nisha secured first position and Ayush Verma secured second position. Moving to BA program first year, here the first position bagged by two students, Komal and Atul Chauhan, and second position is secured by Janvi Malik. In BA program second year, Amar Singh stood first, Mannat Datta stood second. In BA program third year, Yogesh Singh Hada stood first, Nikki stood second. Moving to post-graduation, MA English previous year, Mansi Drabo secured first position, where Rasha Fatima KK secured second position. In MA English final year, Dipanshu Rajan secured first position and Sonia Gupta secured second position. In MA Hindi previous year, Pavan Kumar secured first position and Pooja secured second position. In MA Hindi final year, Ashutosh secured first position and Laksh Singh Chaudhary secured second position. Now I hand over mic to Dr. Vinita. Thank you everyone.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर प्रीति जैन। अब मैं मिस कोकिला नेगी को कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम के प्राइज विनर्स के नाम घोषित करने के लिए आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
Thank you, Dr. Vinita. We are starting with prize winners of commerce stream. Starting from BCom program first year. First position is secured by Ujjwal. Aditya Gandhi secured second position. BCom program second year. Sachin Jain secured first position. Naveen Kumar secured second position. BCom program third year. Manik Bhandari secured first position. Hunar Ahuja secured second position. Now coming to BCom honors. BCom honors first year. Mansi secured first position. Ritika Goyal secured second position. BCom honors second year. We have two students securing first position, Diksha Upadhyay and Sparshi Agarwal. Megha Gupta secured second position. BCom honors third year. First position is secured by Muskan Gumbar and Shruti Chaudhary secured second position. Now coming to Masters in Commerce, MCom previous year, Chetna Jain secured first position. Second position is secured by Shivangi Jain. MCom final year, first position is secured by Sugandha Jain. Priyanka Bajaj secured second position. Congratulations to all meritorious students. Thank you. Over to Vinita.
Thank you, Kokila. Now I invite Dr. Snelata to announce the meritorious students of the science stream. Dr. Snelata? Yes. Dr. Snelata?
Now am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible. Carry forward.
Okay. Now students will start with the prize winners of science stream. So we'll start with chemistry honors first year, where Tanisha got the first position and Anshu got the second position. In BSc honors chemistry second year, Amandeep Mishra got the first position and Sucharita Mandal got the second position. In BSc Honors Chemistry third year, Ramesh Kumar got the first position and Akansha Gaur and Sharat Tyagi got the second position. In Physics Honors first year, Mani Shankar Aliga got the first position and KM Garima Yadav got the second position. Now in Physics Honors second year, Alka got the first position and Dipti Tiwari got the second position. In Physics Honors third year, Pooja Pandey got the first position and Ayush Mittal got the second position. Now coming to Maths Honors first year, Manish Singh secured the first position while Renuka Manocha and Ashish Kumar Trivedi got the second position. In Maths Honors second year, Archita Negi got the first position and Ankit got the second position. In Maths Honors third year, Shubham Malik got the first position and Arpita Prajapati got the second position. Coming to Electronics Honors first year, Ritik Joshi got the first position and James Singh got the second position. In Electronics Honors second year, Rahul Verma got the first position and Shweta got the second position. In Electronic Honors third year, Abhishek Pandey got the first position while Hitesh Kumar Jain got the second position. Now coming to Computer Science Honors first year, Sahil Kumar got the first position and Neeraj Tiwari got the second position. In Computer Science Honors second year, Saurabh Kumar got the first position and Anshu Mittal got the second position. In Computer Science Honors third year, Rishabh Gupta got the first position and Aditi Sharma got the second position. Now we'll come to the program courses. In BSc program Computer Science first year, Bhavna Rajput got the first position and Balkesh got the second position. BSc program Computer Science second year, Shubham Upadhyay got the first position and Varun Kumar and Kartike Pushkarna got the second position. In BSc program Computer Science third year, Prince Kumar Shah got the first position and Puneet Kumar Singh and Ajay Kumar got the second position. In BSc program Chemistry first year, Samir Malik got the first position and Vishal Agarkari got the second position. In BSc program second year, Shagun Singh got the first position and Simran got the second position. In BSc program third year, Shubhi Bhardwaj got the first position and Krishan Kant Pandora got the second position. Now coming to Electronics BSc program, Himanshu Chauhan got the first position and Ritik Bhatt got the second position. In BSc program Electronics second year, Prashant Kumar got the first position and Aman Chahar got the second position. In BSc program Electronics third year, Deepak Prakash Yadav got the first position and Ajit Jha and Rajiv Chandra Singh got the second position. Now coming to BSc program Industrial Chemistry first year, Ishika Agarwal got the first position and Sumit got the second position. In BSc program Industrial Chemistry second year, Riya Sharma got the first position and Anjali and Swati got the second position. And in third year Industrial Chemistry, Shivangi Singh Chauhan got the first position and Pushpa Yadav got the second position. Congratulations to all the winners. Now I hand over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Snehlata. Now I invite Dr. Vikas Kumar to announce the name of the students for memorial prizes and also students who have excelled in various extracurricular activities of the college and brought laurels to the institution. Over to Vikas.
Thank you, Dr. Vinita Tuli. Good afternoon, everyone. Now the next category for prize award is memorial prizes. A memorial scholarship prizes to deserving and meritorious in the field of academic excellence in different subjects. So first is Sultan Chand Draupadi Devi Memorial Scholarship Prize, Best Student of BCom Honors, Muskan Gumbar, third year student. Next is Sultan Chand Draupadi Memorial Prize, Best Student BCom Honors, first year, Mansi, first year student. Next is Dr. Usha Agrawal Tejasvi Scholarship Prize, Best Student of BCom Program, second year, Sachin Jain. Next, Dr. Usha Agrawal Tejasvi Scholarship Prize, BCom Program, third year student, Manik Bhandari. The next prize is Rukmantara Memorial Prize, Best Student of BSc Honors Chemistry, Amandeep Misra, second year, Suchitra Mandal, second year. Next is Inder Raj Dhawan Memorial Prize, Best Student of BSc Honors Physics, Manishankar Algia, first year. Next is Rahul Verma for Rajkumari Dhawan Memorial Prize, second year. The next memorial prize is Dr. Manju Dhawan Memorial Prize for Best Student of BA Honors Hindi, third year, Riddhi Kumari. SK Memorial Prize, Best Student of BSc Honors Physics, Manishankar Algia. Next is BSc student again for Electronics, BSc Physical Science Electronics, Himanshu Chauhan. Next is Sanjeev Arora Memorial Prize, Best Student of BSc Honors Computer Science, Saurav Kumar. Next is Jitendra Arora Memorial Prize for Best Student of BA Program, Amar Singh. Next, Principal CL Suri Memorial Prize for Best Student of BA Honors Political Science, Ritik Bakshi, first year. Shudhanshu Shekhar, first year. And Syam Sundar Arora Memorial Prize, Best Student BA Honors Economics, Amarjeet. The next category for memorial prizes, Dr. Naresh Kumari Memorial Suresh Scholarship Prize, Best Student BA Honors Hindi, third year, Riddhi Kumari. Next is Dr. Naresh Kumari Suresh Memorial Prize, Best Student of BA Honors Hindi, second year, Rajiv and Nitish Kumar. Next, Dr. Naresh Prize, Best Student BA Honors, first year, Nitish Singh and Rashmi. Now next, we move to list of the students to be awarded for excellence in co-curricular activities. It gives me immense pleasure to announce the name of co-curricular awardees. Under this category, we are facilitating our students for their outstanding performance in different fields like social activities, cultural activities, their creativity, their participation in NSS, NCC, Photography Society, etc. So now the next category of award under the co-curricular activities, Artisania, Soeb Ahmed, BSc Honors Maths, second year, Maya Kumari, BA Honors Hindi, third year, college under College Magazine, KR Swati, BA Honors English, second year, Aditi Srivastava, BA Honors English, second year. The next category, Cultural Society, N. Rahul Roy, BSc Physical Science Chemistry, third year, V. Sai Prasanna, BCom Honors, third year. The next category of award under co-curricular activities, Dramatic Society, Rangayan, Ankit Chauhan, BCom, third year, Tanya Kalra, BCom, third year. Next is Enactus, Rohan Roy, BSc Honors Maths, third year, Vriddhi Jain, BA Honors English, second year. The next is English Debating Society, Nimbus, Priyam Mahajan, BCom, third year, Ramya Hariharan, BCom Honors, third year. The next category of award, Hindi Debating Vedanta, Anand Mishra, BA Honors History, second year, Mohit, BA Program, second year. Next is NCC, National Credit Code, Narendra Singh Gill, BA Program, second year, Saurav Kumar, BSc Applied Physical Science, Industrial Chemistry, second year, National Services Scheme, NSS, Himanshu Saini, BA Honors Economics, second year. Ayushi Singh, BCom, second year. The next category of award under co-curricular activities, Placement Cell, Yashasvi Krishna, BCom, third year. Shomesh Guzar, BCom, third year. Ritik Joshi, BSc Honors Computer Science, third year. Photography Society Pixelation, Mohit Jain, BA Honors English, third year. Manshi Gupta, BA Honors Economics, third year. The next is Sports, Ayush Bhardwaj, BA Honors Political Science, third year. Manish Bhati, BA Program, first year. And Shunit Vishnoi, BA Honors Political Science, first year. It's now over, but I just announced one thing. It's not possible to us to read out their all achievements of our co-curricular activities students. So because it's so lengthy and so they have got achieved awards and programs. So it's sorry for that, but we have already published in our annual report. So please look at this. Thank you. Over to you, Vinita ma'am.
Thank you, Vikas. The college would like to give a special mention and special prize to Miss K.R. Swati, BA Honors English, for her contribution towards the Prospectus 2021 and the Student Handbook 2021. We really appreciate her efforts and hard work. Thank you, Swati, for your contribution. Now, there is a small cultural presentation by the students of the Cultural Society of the college. The first performance is by the Sarang Group. It was recorded during the 60th Annual Day program of the college. The next is a sterling dance performance by the students of the Cultural Society, and it was recorded during one of the festivals.
Krishna
The last performance is by our student Anushka Chauhan. Sorry, it's Anusha Chauhan, who has specially recorded it for this special occasion. We thank her for her sincere efforts during the times of the pandemic.
Shiva Shambho, Har Har Shambho Shiva Shambho. Shankar Karunakara Mamaka Bhavasagar Taraka Gangadhara Shankar Karunakara Mamaka Bhavasagar Taraka Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho.
This was Shiv Stuti by Anusha Chauhan of BCom Honors, a student of the Akrit group of our college. Now I invite Dr. Anju Bajaj, convener, Annual Day Organizing Committee, to extend the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Vinita. Once again, good afternoon, everyone. Today's honorable chief guest, Professor Renu Deswal, Chairperson, College Governing Body. Guest of honor, Professor Sevi Murgavel, Treasurer, College Governing Body. Respected Principal, Dr. Gyantosh Kumar Jha. IQAC Convener, Dr. V.K. Arora. All the faculty members and dear students. It's my proud privilege to propose vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Dr. Anju Bajaj, on behalf of Atmaram Sanatan Dharma College, extend a very sincere thanks and gratitude to Professor Renu Deswal ma'am and Professor Sevi Murgavel sir for accepting our invitation and joining us on that 61st annual day function of the college. Your presence and kind words are a source of inspiration and encouragement for all of us. The annual day celebration has become very special by the presence of these honorable guests. Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you, sir. I also wish to express my gratitude to our principal, Dr. Gyantosh Kumar Jha, who is the pillar of strength and support. Sir, it is your vision and leadership that made it possible to bring our college to such great heights. Without your guidance, virtual mode annual day function would not have been possible. I express my gratitude to Dr. V.K. Arora, IQAC convener and bursar of the college, for his constant support and positive guidance always. I would also like to thank the entire teaching staff for overall development of student community and non-teaching staff, administration, accounts, and maintenance for their valuable contribution throughout the year. I would also like to thank all the students and their parents who joined us in the celebration of annual day and made it a huge success. I'm extremely thankful to entire organizing team of the annual day, Dr. Jaya Tomar, Dr. Vinita Tuli, Ms. Kokila Negi, Dr. Rosie Sinha, Dr. Vikas Kumar, Mr. Dipankar, Dr. Preeti Jain, Dr. Snehlata, and Mr. Brijlal ji. Without their support and hard work, this annual day would not have been a success. Other than organizing committee, many other faculty members have helped a lot for this event. I cannot forget to take their names. They are Dr. Shalini Gupta, Mr. Abid Hussain, Dr. Amit Vishkarma, Dr. Parminder Kaur, Ms. Neetu Singh, Dr. Neelam Gaur, and Dr. Geeta Devi. I would like to congratulate all the prize winners and wish them very bright future. I want to emphasize here that always put an effort on something you want, because hard work always pays off at the right time. Congratulations for receiving the awards. Last but not the least, I cannot forget to say big thank you to Mr. Ravinder Pant for technical support, for making beautiful presentations, and for the smooth running of this program on virtual mode. In the end, I hope that soon we all resume our normal, non-virtual activities in the college. Have a good day and stay healthy. Thank you. Here, I want to have an announcement for the students that all the prize winners will receive their e-certificates today only, and their prize money will be transferred to their accounts through NEFT. Thank you, good day, and all the best.
Thank you, Dr.